You have three jugs, one measuring 12 liters, the other measuring 7, and the third measuring 5 liters. Now the 12-liter jug is completely full with water, whereas 7 and 5-liter jugs are completely empty. Now using these three jugs, can you measure exactly 1 liter of water? But there is a catch here. You should not waste a single drop of water. Now can you do that? Let's see how it can be actually done. So let us have a look at what is the present situation. So we have 12-liter jug which is completely full, 7-liter and 5-liter jugs that are empty. So let's call it a 12-liter jug. This is a 7-liter jug and this is a 5-liter jug. There is 12-liter of water over here, 0 over here and 0 over here. Now what will I first do? The only thing that I can do over here is transfer the water from 12-liter jug to one of 7 or 5 liters. So what I will do is I will transfer this 12 liter water from the 12-liter jug into the 5-liter jug first. So then what will happen is my situation will be this 12-liter jug will have 7 liters remaining in it. Then the 7-liter jug will be sort of still empty, but the 5-liter jug will be filled with 5 liters of water. I hope that is clear. Now, what should I do in the second step? In the second step, I will pour this 5-liter of water over from here to the 7-liter jug. So after my second step, the situation will be 7-liter plus 5-liter plus 0-liter. Now, what I'll do is from this 12-liter jug, which has 7 liter of water, I will pour it in this 5-liter jug. So my situation will be 2 liter will remain here. This is 5 liters over here, and this will be 5 liters over here. Now, what I will do is in my fourth step, I will pour water from my 5-liter jug to this 7-liter jug, which is having 5 liters of water right now. So my situation at the fourth step will be something like this. 2 liter of water over here, 7 liter of water over here, and 3 liter of water. 3 liter of water will be remaining over here because the 7-liter jug can incorporate 2 additional liter, giving rise to 7 liter total. So 3 liter will remain in the 5-liter jug. Now, here we are stuck. What to do next? Because now the 12-liter jug has only 12-liter water, so there is a lot of space. If you empty anything over there, there will be nothing remaining as such. So what to do? Let's see what we can do. Now in the fifth step, what you will do is you will pour the 7 liter of water into this 12-liter jug. So what will happen? You will have 12-liter jug with 9 liter of water, then 7-liter jug will be empty, and then the 5-liter jug will have 3 liters of water. Now, can you still measure? No, you still cannot. But what we have done is we have reached a situation of this. So remember our fifth step. Let us erase every other step and now let us see what happens in the sixth step. So we now have a situation of 9 liter of water, 0 liter of water, and 3 liter of water. Right? Now, from this, so let me write it down over here. The fifth step is 9 liter of water here, 0 liter of water in 7 liter, and 3 liter of water in 5-liter jug. Now, let us look at the sixth step. For the sixth step, this is the most crucial step because here you will have to now fill the 7-liter jug with this 3 liter of water. So, what will the situation be? 9 liter here, 3 liter here, and 0 liter here. Now in the seventh step, you will transfer water from this 12-liter jug to 5-liter jug. So the situation will be in the seventh step, it will be 4 liters of water remaining here, 3 liters of water here, and 5 liters of water will basically remain over here. Now be ready to get the final answer. Can you tell me how you can get the final answer from this step in just one step? Very simple. Now from this 5 liter of jug, start pouring the water into the 7 liter of jug. Remember, 7 liter of jug's capacity is of 7 liter. It already has 3 liter of water in it. So when you pour water, only 4 more liters are required for the jug to be full. So what will happen if you start pouring water from here to here? This jug already has 4 liter. This jug will incorporate another 4 liter and become 7. And when 4 liter gets transferred from here, what remains is simply 1 liter of water. And using these three jugs, you have measured exactly 1 liter of water without wasting a single drop. I hope you understood the entire scenario, but can you now crack this particular puzzle which is in front of you? Now, in this puzzle, remember what you have. You have a situation wherein you have a 9 liter of jug which is completely full, a 4 liter of jug which is empty, and a 3 liter of jug which is also empty. Now, using this situation and these three jugs, can you now measure 2 liters of water? And of course, guys, without wasting a single drop of water, because water, as we know, is precious. So that's about it from me. Now stay tuned to our channel, subscribe to it, hit that bell icon so as to get such more brain teasers and make your mind sharper. Thank you.